Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bloons TD6 game not launching, not opening, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Epic Games. Now under library section, select your game. Here you have to click on three dot icon. Now click on manage. And here you can see verify option. You simply have to click on verify. And once your game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from here. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see launch option. You have to enable it, and here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the file explorer. Now go to Epic Games, go to the game folder. Here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, you simply click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the game application and add it to the list over here. So it's been added, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will search if there is an update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. The antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the Visual C++ link, and once it is downloaded, you have to open it. After opening it, you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this, and after that restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run Bloons TD6 as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Bloons TD6 game. For that, go to Epic Games, and under library section select your game, click on three dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Click on it and finally click on uninstall. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, go to Epic Games and reinstall Bloons TD6 game once again, and click on the play button or launch button to check whether it's working or not.